Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Modules 1-3 SAM Capstone Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Unfreeze panes and insert date. Remove pane freeze. Use now function in K2 and format as short date. Step 2. Title formatting. Style cell C2 with teal shading, white text, merge across C2, and autofit row 2. Step 3. Data formatting. Italicize L2. Apply currency format to M2, and merge before with rotated, centered text. Step 4. Charges formula. In F5, multiply completed hours by hourly rate with an absolute reference. Fill down and format. Step 5. Estimate formula. In H5, subtract completed from estimated amount, fill down, and format. Step 6. Percentage formula. In I5, divide remaining by estimated amount, copy down, and format. Step 7. Summation. Use sum. In E15 and fill across F15, applying accounting format. Step 8. Conditional formatting. Highlight values under 1% in column I with red formatting. Step 9. Copy team data. Paste team data from project team sheet into budget sheet. Step 10. If formula. Label team members in O5 as senior or support based on experience, and copy down. Step 11. Average years. Use average. In E17 for years of experience. Step 12. Chart and schedule. Adjust chart type and labels. Rename the schedule sheet, and calculate start dates using formulas.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.